Bridal makeup vanity. I know, as much interesting as it sounds, it can be really tedious at the same time when you're handling outfits, venue, jewelry, makeup artist, and your relatives. Who's gonna take the pain of making makeup vanity? Don't worry, Neha is here to take that pain for you. Today, I'm going to be telling you everything affordable that you can keep in your vanity, and being a makeup artist from past 10 years, that too in luxury section, how can I run away from the luxury products? So video number 2 is going to follow through, in which I'm going to be talking about everything luxury. And I know there are people who would like to make a mix of affordable and luxury products. So you're gonna need both of these videos, and today we are talking everything affordable and products which are available in India. I'm gonna give you multiple choices in each section so that it will be easy for you to pick. I'm gonna be talking about each and every product, on which skin they will perform, and which one you should pick and why you should pick that, right? So get ready to get that bridal glow, because Neha Devgan is here to make that vanity for you. So without a further delay, let's get started. Actually, I know you have subscribed to my channel, because now we have 4,000 followers, and if you haven't, I know you will at the end of this video, because Neha Devgan comes here with experience, gives you education, and that too with unsponsored products. Now let's get started. So I will be talking about multiple products in each section so that you can pick whatever you like as per your budget and your skin type. So I'm sure you know the importance of starting your makeup with a clean face, and after that I have moisturizers. I have 4 moisturizers for you over here in this category. First is going to be Embroily's. You know, this is going to work on your under eyes, on your face with or without makeup. Also works as a primer, so reduces the layers, and it works in all weather and on all skin types. Now going ahead with somebody who has a sensitive skin, you can definitely opt for Bioderma. Now this is slightly thicker formula, so I would say if you have an oily skin, you can opt for Minimalist moisturizer as well. This is very thinner formula and not that thick as this one. It will give you moisturization and that slip that is needed on the face to apply makeup. Now, if you are about to do heavy full glam makeup, you should definitely moisturize your under eyes. So if you're using Embroily's under the eyes, then it's fine. If you want something more than that, then you can go ahead with Indulgio Eye Serum. Now this is something you can apply on your face, do your upper eye makeup, and when you come on the under eyes to apply the concealer, I would ask you to remove it with a cotton pad. Then go ahead and apply your concealers. They are going to apply really nicely and won't give you that cracks and creases under the eyes. All skin types can apply this, especially mature skin, dry skin, and if you have an oily skin, you can just reduce the quantity of it, but this is going to really work. And don't forget to remove it before applying your concealer. That's something really important to keep in mind when we apply such slippy products on our face, okay? Now for the primers, most of the job will be done by Embroily's only, but if you are looking for something that is blurring and if you have open pores, then you can go ahead with Recode's Ace of Base Primer and e.l.f. Putty Primer. They're going to give that blur effect to your skin, a smooth effect to your skin, and if you're looking for a gripping primer for the longevity, then you can go ahead with a gripping primer, and for that I recommend She Glam Primer. This is going to make your makeup last long, to make your makeup stick to your face. Now I'm sure you must be confused about the fact that how to apply all 3 primers. I tell you, first, apply a little light layer of this Embroily's on the full face. Wherever you have open pores, just take a little bit of silicone based primer and apply it on the open pores. For example, people have open pores over here and they want little smoothness on the laugh lines as well. So you guys can apply it over here. Wherever you have texture, you can apply that blurring primer over there, and on the rest of the face, you can apply this She Glam Primer. Now for everyday basis, not to confuse you, just go ahead with the Embroily's and the silicone primer on your textures, and I'm sure your makeup will stay put with the techniques that I keep on telling you over here. So keep on watching those tutorials, girls, because they are really going to help you in application of the makeup, right? Now when we are doing priming of the face, something which we really leave all the time is priming of the lips. So I want you to prime the lips at the time when you're priming your face. Just do a little bit of scrubbing on the lips and apply a Vaseline. If you don't want to scrub your lips, just apply a layer of Vaseline on the lips so that by the time you will apply lipstick, your lips will be nourished and you might be able to remove a little bit of dead skin from your lips as well. If you are somebody who's into lenses, go ahead with PAC lenses and Fresh Look lenses. Fresh Look are the ones that tops my list if you want that natural look. Now you can also buy them in power or buy the disposable ones. That leads to two more important things. First is refresh tears, which you will be needing once you apply your lens. Second is, if you're somebody who's buying monthly lenses, you will be needing lens case, solution, refresh tears and clean hands. If you don't know how to apply the lenses, then something like a lens applicator as well, or start doing the practice from now. Only then you will be able to apply the lenses. Okay. Now when we are doing prepping and priming for our big event, for our big day or anything which needs longer hours, you also need to prep and prime one more thing. You will be needing numbing cream for your ears and for your foot if you are about to wear high heels, because that numbing cream, trust me, is not going to give you any pain. Now let's come to the glow part, which is illuminator, which you will apply after the moisturizer. So first option is always going to be the e.l.f. Halo Glow. Now next option can be Lakme Absolute Skin Tint. Now this is very drying as is when you apply it on the skin, and if you have sensitive skin you will have to do a patch test. But when I mix this with my moisturizer, so this gives a glow like this. Can you see? It's really shiny and very beautiful. It will act like an illuminator. Now next can be your K-Beauty's liquid illuminator, and that has three options. You can pick as per your skin tone, and I have a tukka as well, which is like take your moisturizer a little bit or your primer, scrape the highlighter in the moisturizer like this, and when you will mix it, you will get your own liquid illuminator. This you can apply to the high points of your face, on your nose, here. Make sure you don't apply it on the textured areas, but when you will apply it, it will act as an illuminator only. Okay, so you have 4 of these options in this category. Now going ahead with the color corrector. Color correction is really important. If you have the knowledge, you can use concealers. If you don't have the knowledge, go ahead and buy orange or green color corrector from PAC and K-Beauty. In dono ke correctors are amazing. You can keep one of these in your vanity and they are affordable as well. PAC one is little drying, but K-Beauty is very hydrating. If you have the knowledge and you can use concealers, then go ahead with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer and NYX Bare With Me concealer. Maybelline Fit Me is very moisturizing, easy to apply, comes with a doe foot applicator and very easy to blend as well. Very hydrating concealer. And if we talk about the NYX concealer, settles down as a matte finish but very thin, comes with a pump as well with zero wastage, so you can go ahead and buy this. So I have 3 choices in color correcting concealers. First is Maybelline Fit Me, second is NYX Bare With Me concealer, and third is K-Beauty's concealer. K-Beauty के आप color corrector भी ले सकते हो और color corrector you can pick from PAC Cosmetics as well. So these are going to be your color correcting options, which are very affordable and easy to apply. Now, if you are somebody who is into full coverage and you want concealers, right? Concealers in terms of when you will apply it on the top of the color corrector, then I would recommend you L'Oreal Infallible Concealers. Now, these are full coverage concealers and can feel very drying as well. In that case, you know you have to prime your under eyes really well, and when you will apply these, you will get flawless under eyes. Now there are many products in the affordable range, but 2 products that I will always ask you to invest in are going to be concealers and foundation. For that, I request you to also watch the luxury version of this video, because everything else can be affordable, but your concealers and your foundation, I feel, has to be given the maximum priority and the maximum budget in your vanity. But anyway, these are really amazing. So go ahead and buy L'Oreal Infallible Concealers. These are everybody's favorite and these are really going to work. I'm not just saying for the sake of saying. If you are a fan of light coverage concealers, then invest in NYX and K Beauty's lighter colors. They are also amazing. Okay, now we are done with your color correcting concealers and highlighting concealers. What are highlighting concealers? That you apply on top of color correcting concealers. And mind it, you don't apply any foundation around the mouth area and on the under eye area, otherwise you will get cakiness. Okay, in case you have any sort of marking on your face or very problematic skin or any accidental mark or have very dark circles, then in that case you will use a cream concealer. For that I recommend Kryolan concealer and then Insight Cosmetics concealer. In Kryolan concealers you can also buy single color corrector as well. Otherwise you can go ahead and buy Insight Cosmetics color correcting wheel. Now this has many colors. Why I don't recommend these on daily basis? Because cream concealers can give you acne if you have acne prone skin. So those are specifically for your anything that needs a lot of coverage. In that case, sometimes our liquid concealers doesn't work or they need help of such cream concealers. So go ahead and invest in these if your skin needs something heavier to be corrected. Now the most interesting category of this video, and that is going to be foundation. So I have divided the complexion in two parts. First is skin tint. If you are somebody who's getting married in summers or if you're somebody who like a lot of skin tints, then I would recommend Nykaa Super Light Serum Infused Skin Tint. It leans towards little matte. You can also go ahead for like 2 to 3 hours without powdering this as well. This is very thin weight, comes with a pump and very sleek packaging. Such a great product. I really like it as a skin tint and you can definitely go ahead with this one. If you are somebody who really likes the glow and dewy feeling on the face, then House of Makeup Face Anything is a skin tint that you should definitely invest in. If you are getting married in winters, then this can be your go-to, but you will have to powder it, and there is one down point of this skin tint is that it keeps on getting wasted. I wish it could come with a pump, but this gives very dewy finish. It is a dupe of Smashbox. It blends easily, but you will have to powder it. Otherwise, it gives very dewy effect to the skin and the bottle is very handy, but the product keeps on getting wasted. These are two skin tints that you can definitely invest in depending upon your skin type. If you have oily skin type, invest in Nykaa. If you have dry skin type or you are getting married in winters, then go ahead and buy House of Makeup. And if you want to know more about skin tints, I have made a separate video on skin tints and how they perform. You can go ahead and check that video. I'm going to put the link in the description as well. Now for the foundations, I have these many foundations for you. Why? Because I want to give you multiple choices depending upon the coverage that you like, the skin that you have, right? So first, when we talk about matte coverage and something which is full coverage, I would recommend you Mars Zero Blend Foundation. This gives you full coverage, flawless skin. It does oxidizes to one tone, but this is amazing. So you can buy this in one tone light of your skin tone, but this is amazing foundation. I have done a wear test on this one. I completely loved this one. Now let's talk about a foundation which is affordable but actually performs like a luxury foundation. That is Charmecy Milano. Now this is a thinner consistency foundation, settles down to a satiny matte finish and gives almost like a medium to full coverage, buildable coverage, and I completely love this one. So if you really want to invest in a foundation that actually screams luxury, you can definitely invest in Charmecy Milano foundation. The only problem with Charmecy Milano I faced was to pick a shade. So if you can, try multiple shades in it, go ahead and buy the Charmecy Milano foundation. If you want something that actually performs to professional grade quality, then I would suggest you PAC Studio HD foundation. Now this is a foundation that bridal makeup artists actually use in their vanity. I have done a wear test of this foundation on my face and it performed up to a level that I can really do a bridal makeup with this one. PAC has their own store as well. It will be really easy for you to go there, check your shade. Don't buy on the same day, just apply a swatch, go next day or order online the shade that you want. Right? So PAC Studio HD foundation is the best bet in terms of shade. PAC is something which is going to work in all weather, on all skin types. If you powder it more, it will work in summer as well. If you powder it less, it will work in winters as well. Very versatile foundation. Now, two foundations which will really help you in getting that everyday makeup done at an ease, and something which is more than a skin tint but are still amazing. They are going to be L'Oreal foundations. This is L'Oreal Infallible 32-hour foundation. Works amazing, oxidizes to 1 to 1.5 tones. If you manage to buy a lighter color in this one tone lighter in this one, this is actually going to stay. I have done wear test on this one as well. Now this is L'Oreal Super Blendable True Match Foundation. इस foundation की अच्छी बात ये है, first of all तो ये पंप के साथ आता है, प्लस ना इसके अंदर आपकी स्किन अडेप्टिंग टेक्नोलॉजी है. तो अगर ये एक शेड लाइट भी आ गया ना आपकी स्किन से, तो ये आपकी स्किन टोन को अडेप्ट कर लेगा और आपकी स्किन टोन का हो जाएगा, which is amazing, right? I've also shown all of these L'Oreal foundations in the L'Oreal foundation haul on my channel. You can go ahead and check out those independent videos as well if you would like to know more about these foundations. But L'Oreal Super Blendable Foundation is amazing for every day. अगर आप ऑफिस जा रहे हो और मे बी घूमने जा रहे हो, if you want a foundation which is not too expensive and you just want to make a vanity, you just want to start, you are new into foundations, you can definitely buy these foundations. एक स्किन टिंट रख लो, एक फाउंडेशन रख लो, सुपर ब्लेंडेबल भी रख सकते हो. अगर आपको इतना शेड्स का आइडिया नहीं होता है तो एक शेड लाइट मंगा के इसका रख सकते हो एंड कीप वन हाउस ऑफ मेकअप टिंट. तो इन दोनों को ना मिक्स करके भी आप यूज कर पाओगे. अगर समर है या विंटर है तो इस तरीके का आप वैनिटी बना सकते हो एंड यू कैन मेक several combinations out of these foundations, or otherwise I have told you the professional grade foundations as well. So these were the foundations I have told you. These are a mix and match of full coverage, less coverage, new into foundation, professional grade foundation and skin tints. So which one are you going to choose? Let me know in the comments. I know मार्केट में इतने सारे फाउंडेशन आते हैं, बट आई एम ओनली गोइंग टू टेल यू द फाउंडेशंस दैट आई हैव टेस्टेड ऑन माई सेल्फ, जिसमें मुझे पूरी तरीके से तसल्ली है कि हाँ ये काम करेंगे. अदरवाइज if I would have been somebody who wants to recommend anything on the basis of sponsorship, I could have recommended you 100 more as well. Now let's talk about something that gives life to our face, and that is blush. Right? So I have divided blushes into two categories. First is lip and cheek tints and second is professional quality and cream blushes. People with dry skin sometimes only like cream blushes, so I have both of these. You can mix and match these as well, and blushes are something that we really like to use a lot. So first are Maybelline Teddy Tints. Now I know they feel sticky on the lips, but I like to pair them up with a gloss, but they are easily blendable on the cheeks, and I have done a haul of all of these, so you can go check out that video as well. In that you will be able to pick a shade that you like. I am medium skin tone in NC37. You can pick any shade that you like. These come in versatile ranges. इतनी रेंज में ना अभी तक कोई ब्लश नहीं आता है इंडिया में जितनी रेंज में ये ब्लशेस आए हैं. So you can pick as per your skin tone. That's why I'm recommending these. These are very versatile, and if you feel sticky on the lips, pair them up with the lip gloss. You are good to go. Now next, in the affordable section, I really like Fay Beauty blushes. These are for 500 or 600 each. Fay Beauty keeps on giving discounts, so keep an eye on their website and you will get a discount on these. I really like their color range, although the bottle I feel looks really small when it comes into your hand and when you see a picture. So these are very tiny easy to carry blushes, easily blendable, and are very pigmented. So Fay Beauty blushes are my lip and cheek tint category blushes, which I actually like to apply on my lips. I don't think so everybody applies them on the lips, but I do. Now for the professional grade quality, like if you are somebody who likes your blush to stay, although the blush doesn't stays throughout the day, but if you still want to increase the longevity of the blush, you can go ahead and invest in Kay Beauty blushes and सिंपली नैम ब्लशेस. सिंपली नैम ब्लशेस के भी सारे कलर के स्वॉचेस मैंने आपको मेरे चैनल पे दिखाए हुए हैं और आप के ब्यूटी ब्लश के बारे में भी जाके देख सकते हो. आई हैव ऑल्सो मेड अ वीडियो लाइक अ बैटल बिटवीन के ब्यूटी एंड सिंपली नैम ब्लशेस, सो यू कैन गो अहेड एंड चेक आउट दैट वीडियो एज वेल. इन सारी वीडियोस का ना लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दूंगी सो दैट यू विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड विच ब्लश टू पिक. ओके, बट ये जो क्रीम ब्लशेस होते हैं और जो ये लिक्विड, ये भी ऑलमोस्ट क्रीमी ही है. ये ना इजीली अप्लाई हो जाते हैं ड्राई स्किन पे और थोड़ा सा लंबा भी चलते हैं व्हेन यू पेयर देम अप विद द पाउडर ब्लश. और बाकी सबको भी हम पाउडर ब्लश से पेयर करेंगे. इनकी लॉन्जिविटी थोड़ी ज़्यादा होती है. इफ़ यू वांट वन मोर ब्लश that is like very pigmented and very affordable, it can be Forever 52 blushes. I really like the quality. They come with a pump as well, but they are very pigmented. So always take blushes like these on the back of your hand and then apply it on the face. Now इससे मुझे याद आया कि अगर आपको एक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स की वीडियो चाहिए ना मुझसे कि प्रोडक्ट को अप्लाई कैसे करना है, सो कमेंट करना, मैं एक वो वाली वीडियो भी बना दूंगी आप लोगों के लिए. ओके, now let's talk about powder. So if you want loose setting powder, Maybelline Fit Me is going to work. If you want press setting powder, then again Maybelline Fit Me can be a great choice. Now if you are stepping out for longer hours, I would recommend Maybelline Fit Me loose setting powder. And if you are looking daily basic look, then you can go ahead with the Maybelline pressed powder. Or if you only want to keep one in your vanity, then Maybelline Fit Me can be a great choice. It can also be used with a damp beauty blender on your pores. You will see a blurring effect on your pores as well. Now, if you want powder highlighter for your body, Kay Beauty has a powder highlighter that can give you shimmers, little bit of shiny effect. This is amazing and is in budget as well. Now, for powder highlighter for your face, Maybelline Master Chrome has always been my one of the most amazing choices, one of my most favorite choices. And you can also pick Kay Beauty's highlighter. Now both of these have very nice satiny effect. I don't want any shimmer particles on your face. I want a satin sheen effect which can look really nice and classy. I always ask my students and everyone to buy this. It gives very classy and sheen effect, and similar is the case with the Kay Beauty one. Now you have to pick a lighter gold color if you have lighter skin tones. If you have deeper skin tones, go ahead with a deeper shade of gold or something like champagne, that says that will suit medium. And if you have very deep skin tone, then you can go ahead with the deeper shade in that. Now when we talk about the highlighters, I would also like to mention this She Glam Bellini Brunch highlighter. This you can apply on top of your blush if you don't have texture in this area. This is going to give that shine to your blush. This is like a rose gold color, so if you will apply a pink blush, this is going to shine a lot. You can't really see it over here, but it really looks very natural and gives a very nice shine to your face. So you can definitely invest in this Bellini Brunch highlighter from She Glam. There is one more option for body highlighter that I have been loving recently, and that is from She Glam. Now this looks amazing and it gives very nice particles. So I don't recommend this applying on your face, but I recommend this applying when you want to do very glam look. This is gonna give you the highlight that is gonna shine till the moon. So just press it and you are good to go. It has a lot of shimmer particles, so I'm afraid that it should not come on my face right now. Right now we are shooting, okay? But I've applied this one recently in the video on my Instagram channel, so you can go check that out. If we talk about the powder blushes, K Beauty Blushes has one of the amazing blush collection. Desert Rose is my favorite, and they also have something like Sweet Salmon. These two shades, this is like for everyday nude pink shade, and the pink shade that I like is the one that is Sweet Salmon. I have been talking about that on my Instagram page as well. So these are two shades that you can consider, plus they have a lot more shades. K Beauty blushes are very affordable, comes with a handy and sleek packaging. I like their packaging, and they will look amazing when you will keep them in your bridal makeup vanity because of the sleek and beautiful packaging. I haven't talked about the bronzer as of now. If you are into bronzers, then She Glam bronzer. Now this is affordable. The shade is amazing for fair medium skin tones. If you are deeper than this, deeper than NC42, then you can pick a deeper shade than this one. But otherwise this will work on all skin tones, blends easily. When you are doing your cream work, you can definitely apply this, and it will give you the chiselness you are looking for and won't get patchy as well. And if you're looking for powder bronzer, then you can invest in Rimmel London's powder bronzer in shade 2 and 3. 2 is like a medium brown shade and 3 is little deeper than the medium brown shade. They are amazing and will give you the proper bronzing effect. You can just apply it with a heavy hand or light hand and get the bronzy glow that you are looking for. नाउ इट इज़ द टाइम फॉर आईज. नाउ लेंसेज मैं आपको पहले से ही बता चुकी हूँ और रिफ्रेश टीयर्स में आपको बता चुकी हूँ. लेट्स कम टू द मस्कारा पार्ट. Maybelline Sky High is the waterproof mascara. I like this one because of the thin wand. You can easily apply on the upper lash and lower lash without, it doesn't goes everywhere, because if something has a thicker wand, वो सब जगह चला जाता है, but this doesn't goes anywhere. So I like this one, and this doesn't budge also. You need to have makeup remover stuff in your vanity as well. वो मैं आपको आगे चल के अभी वीडियो में बताने वाली हूँ. अब हम बात करते हैं आईब्राउ पेंसिल की. तो स्विस ब्यूटी की है आईब्राउ पेंसिल, मुझे काफ़ी पसंद है. इफ़ यू आर इनटू आईब्राउ पेंसिल, तो इसके एक तरफ पे इस तरीके का ब्रश है जिससे आप अपनी आईब्राउ ब्रश कर सकते हो, एंड देन ऑन द अदर साइड वी हैव this sort of color in the brow pencil, right? If you are not into brow pencils, you can definitely invest in brow tinted gel. Invest into a L'Oreal brow kit. I like this brow kit for everyday use. It comes with a brush. This is like angular on one side and brush on the other side. Now this has lighter and darker color. Works for me at all times. जब मैं अपना क्लियर जेल अगर लगा लेती हूँ, I have ELF clear gel. This is also affordable and very good. Just that in winters it becomes little thick and white, so you have to remove that white little particles in your brows, and then I apply this one, lighter color in the front and darker color in the back. So both of these are like a combo for me, which are working from past 1 year. I have been using this and this never ends. This is so much of product in it. So even if you're doing makeup on daily basis, this is not gonna go anywhere. So this is a very powerful combo which you can buy. Otherwise, NYX brow gel or Maybelline brow gel, you can invest in and buy those as well. Okay. Now, if you are somebody who's into eyeliners, I have recently got this K Beauty brown eyeliner for people who doesn't like black eyeliners. They can definitely invest in brown eyeliners. So this is their brown pencil and this is the eyeliner. I've been loving both of these. You can invest in these. The brown color looks like this. Let me show you. This is the liquid eyeliner and this is the pencil eyeliner. So I like both of these. The pencil is smudgeable, you can do your smudging eye looks with it, but after some time it just gets set and it doesn't move. So very good combo. You can invest in both of these brown, or just take one brown eyeliner or brown pencil. Now, when we talk about black kajal and black eyeliner, so I completely love this Renee's Midnight Kohl. I did a test on it as well. It doesn't goes anywhere. So you can do your smoky eyes, your kajal eyes, everything with it. If you want to do a smoky eye, it just becomes smudgeable for a little bit of time and after that it sets. So it's very dark, amazing for those Indian coal eyes. If you want black eyeliner, you can definitely invest in She Glam pen eyeliner. So this is very thin, easily applies. Other than this, NYX and Maybelline also has amazing liquid eyeliners. I'm gonna put those options on the screen as well. You can invest in any of these eyeliners because eyeliners mein to India has a lot of range. We have no problems in that. So I'm gonna put all the options on the screen as well. Now, if you are somebody जिसकी आंखों में कुछ टिकता ही नहीं है and you just apply a lot of kajals, you have tested everything but everything vanishes, then you need a gel eyeliner. Gel eyeliner is something that we as a bridal makeup artist uses on everybody and it doesn't goes anywhere. For that, you can invest in a L'Oreal gel eyeliner. It's amazing. Please make sure while you're using it, just take it in the cap and keep the bottle down so that it doesn't dries up easily. Otherwise, best of best choice. It won't go anywhere and you will need makeup removing products to remove that. Otherwise, it's not going to go anywhere. I do smudging eyeliner with it, eyeliner with it, kajal with it, everything. And it comes in multiple colors as well. So you can play with it too. Now when we talk about the eyeshadows, ELF has some great options and K Beauty has some great options. वो सारे आपकी screen पे pop कर रहे होंगे इस time पे while I'm talking about the eyeshadows. Now you can do eye looks with these. If you are somebody who is into minimal makeup, you will only need a brown sort of an eyeshadow and an eyeshadow topper. Eyeshadow topper क्या होता है? Basically, you need something which just gives you shine. So you can pick that from ELF as well, or you can pick anything like this as well. I have recently picked this Charmesi eyeshadow, and it works as a great eyeshadow topper. Now, very satiny finish. It's like pink eyeshadow but it has duochrome sort of effect, so you can pick duochrome or any type of eyeshadow topper like this. Single eyeshadow mein aate hain and they have something like glitter as well. ELF has this champagne which is the Urban Decay's substitute. You can pick any of these eyeshadows from ELF and these are at great price. You can pick K Beauty eyeshadows as well or single things from Charmesi Milano. So these three brands has amazing eyeshadow palettes. Plus I have been seeing in the market Mars eyeshadows and a lot of eyeshadows, but I haven't tested those, so I can't really comment on those, but I have been seeing small palettes. Now what happens when you invest in a small palette? These small palettes can be taken anywhere when you are traveling. You know that you are about to wear a pink dress or you want something like a smoky eye, brown smoky eye. Then you can carry a particular theme palette with you, which is easy to carry, affordable, and there are a lot of options available in the market these days. Only thing is, if you are buying an eyeshadow, so just test it. If it falls, then what I want you to do is do your eye makeup first and then do your base makeup. Otherwise, if eyeshadow will fall on the face, it will be really difficult to remove it. Although I have some tips, so if you will comment, I'll give you those tips as well. But you have to check if the eyeshadow falls, you have to do the eye makeup first. However, if you are into glam looks, now Charmesi Milano also has duochrome glitter eyeshadows which works as an eyeshadow topper, so you can check out those as well. And I have seen some duochrome glitter eyeliners in the market. However, I do not have many recommendations for that in the eyeshadow section. I am more towards brown eyes and more towards eyeshadow toppers. I feel we can achieve any sort of glam look with brown and any colored eyeshadow topper on top of it. It will work. I have done it, so I really like it. If you want some other sort of eye looks, then you can definitely invest in colored eyeliners as well, which are also available in the market. Now let's talk about the sprays. I want you to keep two types of sprays in your vanity. First is going to be a hydrating spray which will remove the chalkiness from the makeup, which will remove the powdery feeling from the makeup. That is going to be a hydrating spray. Now I like She Glams, this press refresh setting spray, it gives very coconut kind of refreshing feeling on my face, and it has a fragrance of coconut as well. It is like a fresh mist. It hardly does anything but just removes the chalky feeling from my face. Now here I would like to say that I want you to invest in MAC Fix Plus, because this is something I even don't spray my setting sprays on most of the days when I'm just doing makeup for 2 to 3 hours or 5 hours. I can skip my setting spray, but I never skip my MAC Fix Plus spray. It is a multitasker. It gives hydration to our face, removes the chalky feeling from my face. I can sandwich it between the makeup. It's a must. For the setting spray, I would like you to invest in Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Setting Spray. Now this speaks alcohol to me. It has little bit of fragrance as well, and there is one clause with it. If you will spray it just from the very close, it can make your makeup look very patchy. So I want you to spray it from at least this much difference, so that the mist comes on your face, but it should not get concentrated in one area only, otherwise it can remove your makeup as well. Now there is one more setting spray that has a lot of alcohol in it, but if you're somebody, देखो, I used to have brides जिनकी wedding दिल्ली में हो रही है और मे बी जयपुर में हो रही है, और उन्हें ना without makeup change they have to travel for 10 to 12 hours and they have to reach somewhere. For those people who doesn't have sensitive skin, who can bear alcohol on their face, this is the spray for them. Only recommend this to people जिनको बहुत देर तक मेकअप करके रखना है, या for people who just recently got married and they are going to out of town for their function which takes 4 to 6 hours to travel और उन्हें ready होके जाना है, then you can take this, because this is something like a hair spray. ये आपके मेकअप को बज नहीं होने देगा, but it has a lot of alcohol, right? So this is something that you can keep in your vanity. अगर इतने सारे नहीं रखने हैं तो सिर्फ मैक फिक्स प्लस रख लेना और मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन रख लेना. मेकअप रेवोल्यूशन का एक और अगर मैं आपको सब्सटीट्यूट बताऊंगी तो वो होगा NYX का सेटिंग स्प्रे, राइट? Both of these doesn't budge your makeup. When I talk about the makeup setting spray, I also would like to recommend Kryolan spray. This is amazing, professional grade quality. It also has alcohol, but it will set your makeup and won't budge it at all. Sensitive skin people will have to do a patch test. Now, what are the tools that are really needed while you're doing your makeup? When you want a powder puff, you will have to get a powder puff like this. Now this is from PAC. Pardon me, this is little dirty over here, but PAC has this triangular sort of a powder puff which is really helpful when you set your under eyes like this, or you can buy bigger powder puffs as well. Powder puff doesn't have to be of a certain quality, so anything really works. Okay, now if you want to apply your eyelashes, which by the way brings me to the point that you have to buy eyelashes, you can buy from Calo's Vanity की मैंने lashes देखी थी, they are amazing. Then I truly admire Europaris eyelashes and PAC eyelashes. PAC in 53 and 54 I guess. Now you have to get the glue for those as well. For that I like Duo glue, or you can buy PAC glue as well. I have seen people using PAC lash glue, but try and test them before your wedding so that after wedding when you will start getting ready, it won't take much of your time and you will know that the lash won't go out. But I would recommend that keep them in your touch-up makeup bag as well with you on the day of wedding and after the wedding as well. Now for applying the lashes, you will be needing a plucker. You just need to hold the lash, press it from the other end. Okay, now you want to make sure your lashes merge into your natural lashes, so you will be needing a lash curler. Now you can invest in a Color Bar eyelash curler. I have tested that one. I really like that one, so you can buy that. I believe it was available in a purple color and I really like that purple color, so you can invest, but make sure that the lash curler has something like a padding like this, otherwise your lashes, oh my god, somebody's lashes can get cut. I just don't want to say your lashes. So yeah, So make sure that this padding is available at all times, and sometimes they give extra padding as well, so keep that in your vanity if you need it sometime later, and keep it super clean, otherwise this comes on the eyes, so keep it super clean. Now you want to make sure you should be carrying some q-tips as well. This will work in sliding that lens and taking that lens out of your eyes. So these q-tips really helps. Plus they help in taking the lash glue and applying it on the, if the lash comes out, you just pick it up and just apply the lash glue over there. So it really helps. Keep these with you on the wedding day and after the wedding, before the wedding, at all times. This stays with me at all times. So this is really important, which brings me to a point that if you have lenses with you, you have to keep lens case and lens solution and refresh tears with you. While you will be sitting in the mandap, it might happen that your eyes will feel little dry because of the heat that comes from the mandap, so you will be needing refresh tears, or generally all of us starts crying when we sit at the mandap because the pandit ji says a lot of things, right? You will be needing makeup removal things as well in your vanity. Now here I have given you a list of items that you can check out and keep in your vanity depending upon the makeup removal things and the sanitary things and some of the extra tools. I have also talked about the brushes over here. You can check out these sets or single brush as well. Last but not the least, you need a beauty blender. So you can invest in disposable beauty blenders or Real Techniques beauty blenders, or the original one from Beauty Blender by Beauty Blender, which is expensive. So Real Technique can be your best choice over here, and disposable beauty blenders can be your best choice, or your fingers can be a good choice as well. So make sure whatever you like, you just practice on the things and then go ahead and buy those, or buy those in advance and then practice on it before your event. उस दिन वरना बड़ा मूड खराब होता है. Now in the end, I know you are looking for lipsticks and lip liners. For that, I have already made videos on my YouTube channel. You can go ahead and check out the nude lipstick video, the red lipstick videos that I have made on my channel. You can go ahead and buy those. Or if you want me to make another video on all of these, you let me know. I can make more videos, but there are already 150 lipsticks available on my channel. You can pick high-end or affordable out of those. And I have recently made a brown lip liner video on my Instagram as well. I'm putting the scan code over here. You can go and check that reel. You will be able to find affordable lip liners over there. Okay. On this note, this is Neha Devgan saying bye-bye. This was your affordable kit. I'm gonna see you soon with the luxury makeup kit. Okay? Bye.